Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into the world of QUIDAX, or QDX, a crypto coin. This guide will cover how to buy the QDX token, the platforms where you can find it, and the blockchain networks involved, such as Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum. Oh, what exactly is QUIDAX? The QDX token serves a utility within the QUIDAX ecosystem. It may also offer governance potential and could be used for staking or reward mechanisms. The underlying blockchain technology that powers QDX will depend on its specific implementation. It could be a native token on its own blockchain or built on existing chains like Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum. Within the QUIDAX platform, QDX could be applied to various features, and the QUIDAX team may form partnerships to strengthen the use of QDX. Finally, it's crucial to understand the tokenomics, including the total supply, circulating supply, and how the tokens are distributed. ETs break down some key concepts. MEXC Global is a centralized exchange, or CEX. Using MEXC for QDX offers benefits like ease of use and liquidity. You'll need to create an account and complete KYC verification. Then, there's BNB, or Binance Coin, and BSC, the Binance Smart Chain. BNB is used to pay transaction fees on BSC. The BSC provides a faster and cheaper alternative to Ethereum for some transactions. ETH, or Ethereum, and the Ethereum blockchain are also important. Ethereum is a major player in the crypto space, and QDX might be available as an ERC20 token on Ethereum. Keep in mind that Ethereum transaction fees, also known as gas fees, can be high. We also have DXs, or decentralized exchanges. DXs offer more autonomy, but come with their own set of risks and rewards, and examples include PancakeSwap and Uniswap, where QDX may be traded. CXs, or centralized exchanges, offer ease of use and higher liquidity, but give you less control than a DX. Examples include MEXC and Binance. And finally, there are DApps, or decentralized applications. DApps are applications that run on a blockchain, and QDX could potentially be used within DApps. Let's get into how to actually buy QDX on MEXC Global. First, you'll need to create an account, following their step-by-step guide, and completing the verification process, or KYC. Next, you need to fund your account, either by depositing crypto like BNB, ETH, or USDT, or by buying crypto with fiat currency if that option is available. Once your account is funded, you can trade QDX by finding the QDX trading pair, such as QDX/USDT, and placing a buy order. You can choose between a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to buy at a specific price. Make sure you understand the order book in market depth. Finally, to withdraw QDX, simply follow the withdrawal instructions from MEXC to your wallet. Be aware of any withdrawal fees and the number of network confirmations required. ETs talk about buying QDX on a DX, such as PancakeSwap or Uniswap, if applicable. The first step is setting up a wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Download and install the wallet, create a new wallet, or import an existing one, and be sure to securely store your seed phrase. Next, you'll need to fund your wallet by transferring BNB or ETH to it. After that, connect your wallet to the DX, like connecting MetaMask or Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap or Uniswap. Now you can swap for QDX by selecting the correct tokens, such as BNB/QDX or ETH/QDX. Set your slippage tolerance, which is the acceptable difference between the expected price and the executed price, and confirm the transaction, paying the gas fees. It's crucial to verify the correct QDX contract address to avoid buying fake tokens. You can usually find the official contract address on the QUIDAX official website or official social media channels. If you're using BNB and Binance Smart Chain for QDX transactions, you'll need to set up Binance Smart Chain, or BSC, in your wallet. You can do this by adding the BSC network to MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Make sure you have sufficient BNB to cover the transaction fees. The potential benefit of using BSC is that it typically offers lower transaction fees compared to Ethereum. How if you use ETH and Ethereum for QDX transactions? First, find out if QDX is available as an ERC20 token on the Ethereum network. Be aware that transaction fees on Ethereum can be quite high. Consider using Ethereum if BSC is unavailable or if you have other reasons to prefer it. Before you start, there are some important security considerations to keep in mind. Always protect your private keys and seed phrases by storing them offline and securely. Be cautious of phishing scams, including fake websites and emails. Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on your exchanges and wallets. Finally, and most importantly, always do your own research, DYOR, before investing in any cryptocurrency. In conclusion, remember that buying QDX involves several steps, depending on whether you choose a centralized exchange like MEXC Global or a decentralized exchange like PancakeSwap or Uniswap. Always remember that cryptocurrency investments are risky. So we encourage you to do your own research and invest responsibly. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.